I hold Tata Steel 30 shares at the rate of 567. I would like to know what is the near-term target, what is the outlook of this stock, and what is the next support level where I can average. Vivek, I mean, I think one key positive for Tata Steel was the stake sale in real estate. It was clearly a positive for the company. It's of course going to ease the debt equity ratio for Tata Steel. And of course, the additional cash is clearly going to be used to help them fund the other projects that they're looking at. Aggressive expansion plans there as well. One concern, I think a couple of brokerages have indicated with these steel companies is the fact that margins for these steel manufacturers could possibly be under pressure despite higher prices because of the spike in raw material costs. Tata Steel, of course, is no different. What is it that you would do with this one? Would you continue to remain bullish on Tata Steel or actually cautious now?
ఏం చేస్తున్నావు సురేష్? ఏం చేస్తున్నావు? నేను అన్నీ పంపిస్తాను ఉండు, అందరికి పంపిస్తాను. మా అబ్బాయి ఇట్లా చేస్తాడు అల్లరని. షేమ్ షేమ్ ఫెలో.